As men age, they may experience a decline in their sexual function, which can lead to frustration, stress, and anxiety. But what if there was a natural and effective way to boost male sexual health? Introducing Red Boost, made from natural ingredients. The revolutionary product designed to enhance male sexual health and performance. Red Boost is made from a blend of natural ingredients that have been scientifically proven to improve male sexual function. It contains 5 main plants as ingredients. First on our list is icariin plant, also known as horny goatweed. Icariin is a powerful male performance herb that's been used for centuries in Asia. It is also a powerful antioxidant that supports healthy blood flow as well as boosting hardness, desire, and stamina. The second plant is tongkat ali plant, also known as Eurycoma longifolia Jack. Hails from Malaysia and is known for its potent boosting effects on male sex hormones. It can enhance performance by targeting the oxidative stress in the smooth muscle, boosting your sex hormones and nitric oxide levels at the same time. The third plant is fenugreek's roots are in India, where it's been used for thousands of years to boost sexual performance while increasing energy levels and supporting fertility. Scientists who gave fenugreek once a day to a group of 60 men reported that the men noticed a significant boost in sexual performance and desire. The fourth ingredient is citrulines, found in watermelon and cucumber. Citrulline, which is potent nutrient, boosts vasodilation, a process which supports the flow of nutrient-rich blood to every part of your body, all while maintaining healthy blood vessels. Also, it has a potent effect on nitric oxide, oxygen, while supporting healthy blood flow. Lastly, we have nettle root, which is great for boosting sex hormones. Additionally, for men, it has the added benefit of supporting prostate health too. Red Boost offers a range of benefits for male sexual health, including improved erectile function, increased libido, enhanced sexual stamina, and improved confidence. Using Red Boost is easy. Simply take 2 capsules daily with water, preferably on an empty stomach. Red Boost is made from natural ingredients and is generally considered safe for most men. However, it is recommended that you consult with your doctor before taking Red Boost, especially if you have any underlying medical conditions or are taking medication. So, if you're looking for a natural and safe way to boost your sexual performance, try Red Boost today. It's available for purchase online and in select stores.